Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fort Walton, local and long-distance movers near me. In Florida, you can move a long way without crossing a state line, but when you evaluate moving companies, it's a good idea to look on the FMCSA site and see if they're licensed. 3 Movers can provide outstanding services and value for your long-distance move to or from Fort Walton Beach. Our agent will come to your home or business if you're planning to move your office or retail operation and review the details of the project with you. 3 Movers is the firm to call if you're in need of a local moving help in Fort Walton Beach. Professional movers should have local knowledge and years of business expertise. Our teams have both. We'll send a representative to your house to go over the things you want to relocate and give you a price quote once you give us a call. You can get packing advice or have our movers do it for you and learn about the various operations for the quality and scope of your local moving service and insurance coverage. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fort Walton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.